This console does not boot up. Keeps turning off, man. I don't get it. I see the fan twitch a teeny bit. And that's as far as we make it. So we know we're getting standby. We're getting our 5 volts, we're getting our 1.8, we're getting our 3.3. And we know the 12 volts cannot be shorted because the fan twitches. The fan wouldn't twitch if we were missing our 12 volts. So, what could be the issue? What are we looking at on our memory? Oh my goodness. That must be graphics. Graphics is around 6 ohms. That's 2K. Where's my memory? So yeah, that south bridge is shorted, which is why that's what's causing the 7-second shutdown. So I don't have any, and I don't know where you can buy those. And if you buy them, they're going to be pulled off of another board, and you're not going to be sure if they work when you put it on. So I'm thinking that I am going to call it quits on this device, unless I can find a reputable seller of Xbox One Model 1540 South bridges. So, anywho, unless I get motivated again, y'all be good.